Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are starting with the new topic, that is test on cement. So we will go through these 9 tests. So first test, that is fineness test, then standard consistency test, soundness test, setting time test, compressive strength test, tensile strength test, chemical composition test, heat of hydration test, and specific surface area test. So this is our first test, that is fineness test. Okay, so first of all we will see the term fineness. So as we study in the last videos that as higher is the fineness, that means higher is the heat of hydration. Okay, higher is the heat of hydration, and which is directly responsible for the higher rate of strength gain. Okay, so higher is the strength gaining. Okay, strength gaining. So that means that whatever the finest, that is finely grinded or coarsely grinded, it is directly responsible for the strength gaining factor of the cement. So to achieve the early strength, latter strength or intermediate strength, the fineness should be kept in such a way that it should produce the required amount of strength gaining. Okay, so for that purpose fineness test is important. So to perform the fineness test, the size of particles that we kept, so the maximum size of particle, that is maximum size of cement particle we kept, it is of 100 microns. Okay, 100 microns. And the minimum size of cement particle we kept is around 10 microns. Okay, so this is the basic things which are kept in mind to perform the fineness test. Now we will move towards the fineness test, actual fineness test. So fineness test can be performed by two processes or two methods. So first we can perform it by sieve analysis. Okay, sieve analysis. And the other method we can use, that is by specific surface area. Okay, so it can be, fineness can be determined also by specific surface area. So specific surface area, the apparatus we use is termed as Blaine's air permeability test. Okay, so Blaine's air permeability test. Okay, so it can be called as Blaine's air permeability test. So in the sieve analysis, the check is given to the grinding. So it determines the check on grinding, and in the case of specific surface area, the check is given on the specific surface area. Okay. Now we will see the procedure of the sieve analysis method. So first of all, the 100 grams of cement is taken out. 100 grams cement is taken out, and it is sieved through IS sieve number 9. Okay, IS sieve number 9, that is 90 microns sieve. Okay, 90 microns sieve. Then it is sieved for around 15 minutes. Okay, around 50 minutes it's sieved, and at the last, whatever the material which is written on this sieve, for OPC it should be retained around 10% of the weight. Okay, and for RHC, that is rapid hardening cement, it should be retained around 5%. So this is the basic measure which is considered to determine the fineness by using sieve analysis method. And in the specific surface area, as we know that it gives the result in term of specific surface area, and it is represent in terms of centimeter square per gram. Okay, now to check the specific surface area, the standard data is given. For OPC, the result should be 2350 centimeter square per gram. Okay, then for PPC, it should be around 3000 centimeter square per gram, and for SSC super surface cement, it should be around 4000 centimeter square per gram. Okay, so this is about the fineness test. It can be performed by using these two processes or methods. First one is sieve analysis, second one is specific surface area. That is, in this test the Blaine's air permeability apparatus is used, so it is also called as Blaine's air permeability test. So this is the basic difference between these both of the methods. So this is about the fineness test. So this is our second test, that is standard consistency test. So first of all we will see what is meant by consistency. So consistency is the percentage of water required to make a workable cement paste. Okay. Workable cement paste. Okay. Workable cement paste. Now this standard consistency test is, it can be used for the three further tests. First one is initial setting time test. Okay, initial setting time test. Then it can be used for final setting time test. And it is also used for the soundness test. Okay, so it can be used for soundness test also. So standard consistency, that is percentage of water required to make the workable cement paste, and as its significance is that it can be used for the main procedures, that is we are going to see later on, that is initial setting time, final setting time, and soundness test. Okay, so to make this workable cement paste, there is around 500 grams of cement is taken out, and in addition to that around 25 to 30% of water is added. Okay, and this paste or these ingredients are put into the mold or apparatus, and this apparatus is known as Vicard's apparatus. Okay, Vicard's apparatus. So this Vicard apparatus, it is the specific consistency is determined by Vicard's plunger. Okay, determined by Vicard's plunger. The dimension of this Vicard's plunger, it is around 10 mm in diameter and 50 mm in length. Okay, and the consistency, it should be such that it should penetrate 33 to 35 mm, okay, from the top. Okay, so whatever the mold, whatever the paste we will filling in this Vicard's apparatus, so from the top 33 to 35 mm from top it should penetrate. Okay, so this is about the standard consistency test. So in the initial and final setting time we will see more about the Vicard's apparatus. And generally for OPC the standard consistency is around 30%. Okay, 30%, and the standard consistency is denoted by capital P. Okay, denoted by capital P. So this is all about the fineness test and standard consistency test. So in the next video we will continue with our remaining tests. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.